Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart. You give me everything, so I can feel it letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
He's pretty much my real husband.
I need to hear it from you. If we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing.
I'm pretty sure y'all can see me, but this is my new self. Look at my nails. I love them. I hope y'all can see. And I got my eyebrows arched, y'all. I ain't got my eyebrows waxed in so long that I forgot I was a bad B. Like, I'm like, immediately once I seen them, I'm like, oh my goodness, I needed my eyebrows waxed so bad. So that's that. Need to hear there. Let's get started. I think we're gonna walk into this little seafood spot right here and get a sausage or something. Then we gotta go to the hair store, and then that's pretty much what that's all I'm gonna do, because I had other shit to do, but I don't feel like doing all the other shit that I had planned. So yeah, girl, I gotta record the video like this. I tried to record the other way. Look at my new nails, and I got like I got my cuticles did and shit like that. So my total was $60. I got my eyebrows arched and I got my nails did. So yeah. Like, am I a brand like, okay, granted. And the stilettos was cool. I was supposed to keep the pinky, but I ain't tell them, so I ended up with these. And I'm kind of mad. Secure the goods. We're going back to my okay, chat. We have successfully secured me something to snack on. Let's eat. I'm really just having my way. Don't mind me. But let's try this right quick. Let's try this right quick. Because they say it being there. That's just what it is. I want to try it with y'all, but I'm just showing y'all. But I got to make a TikTok, so. I'm showing y'all, but I need to make a TikTok, so y'all gotta. I gotta call y'all back.
You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it. If the first thing you felt forever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here. Living in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all clear. I don't even care as long as you're
They be so cute, right? I keep saying I don't want to be in this video like this, but I gotta be in a video like this because we're gonna make a video. I need to eat another piece of my sausage, and we're gonna run to this other hair shop around the corner, Hair World. Oh shit! We're gonna run to this other hair store around the corner, Hair World, because I said I want to do a quick read, but I ain't trying to do all that. A weed is way quicker than a quick weed, so if I find a weed, I'm gonna just buy it. But I ain't trying to spend all my money. Just a little token.
What everyone said, I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're true leader. And I'm Not obliged, promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. If you shoot, then you can bet every single dollar and your last few cents that I will too. And I'm leaving. Tell me, where do we go from here? Feeling in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all in. I don't even care as long as you're playing in my bed. I'm falling. What everyone said, I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're.
I'm not gonna hold you. I don't know who the hell told y'all quickly was quick. But what I can say is I'm tired as fuck already in my hair now. Like, I've been doing this for, I don't know what time I started, but I know I'm tired of shit. But the only problem is like, if I quit now, you know, if I quit, like, I told y'all, I'm running into stay ready, so you ain't gotta get ready, so it's a revolving cycle. But I'm tired. Who told y'all this was quick? I should have just bought me a wig. I could have braided my hair thoughts and I would have been finished by now.
I don't know. That's not my best video. Like,
or did me a ponytail, but
I know yesterday.
I'm gonna find something to watch on TV for a little second. I think I'm gonna watch Abbott Elementary for an episode or so. I still need to clean up my kitchen. It's a wreck. I still got gang of clothes. I think I'm running a regular day video and a hair video, a maintenance video. So this is gonna be in one of those videos, either the Sunday video. I don't know if I'm running a cleaning video. I could possibly be running a cleaning video too, y'all. So it's like, I just don't know. That's what I'm trying to get my life together. I'm trying to get my hair did, nails that all that already fixed before the first of the next one coming. So this is how it looks. Centennial man with the city on slam. She get trippy off his ass, lost 21 grams, and she did it on cam. Wasn't no video dance, make my own rules. I really don't think I just choose. I don't set this up just shoot. Shopping is cool. I told her it's BYOB. That mean buy your own boots. Put it on God. He the one to put me on top. Can't be good in the box. Gotta move on the op. Never got the move on the drop. Niggas tryna move on the sky and we move that deep. Tryna run down shit steep. Gotta act the fool. Squad next city no sleep. So guys, when I kiss my princess of a city and whatever city I'm in, if you're tired of me, I already know that this is a maintenance video. This is half DIY, half me going to the nail shop. I went to the nail shop to get my nails did. I'll show you guys all that in the video. If there's something you're interested in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to stay tuned. Don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you get all my videos as soon as I post them. Oh, don't forget to hit the notification bell at the top, because that's how you can get all my notifications, all my videos as soon as I post them. With that being said, you guys, I think I did my big one, this DIY maintenance video. I really love my hair. I gotta get used to it. Y'all know this is my first side part, first time being out of braids in a long time. I want to say about 1.5 years or something like that, because I don't remember last time I wore a wig. Oh, give or take, like, let's say me wearing a wig on a daily basis. But this is how I look right now. I did put me 2 new things in. That's why you see me shining. Them gonna be getting me boys. Shining ain't you? Them gonna be me boys. What's up, Tiny? Can we talk? Just get bye. Fuck. Yeah, got those.
Okay, fun fact.
I
did not get used to this hair. I had already curled it twice to get it to look like this. It was
whenever I do something else,
of course I took it out within like a week's time, but it was cute for while it lasted.